Hi there, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Today I'm going to show you how I make my skinny margarita mocktail with strawberries. Here are the ingredients. You need lime juice, simple syrup. The recipe's on my website. It's a cilantro-jalapeño simple syrup. You want some Tajín, some sugar, some sea salt, some sparkling water, ice, and then I love to add strawberries to it, garnish with some cilantro and fresh lime. You want to make sure you put your salt into a plate that you know the rim of your glass is going to fit. Then you add some Tajín and a little bit of sugar. So it's a salt, Tajín, and sugar mixture that is going to go on the rim of your glass. Then you want another plate with lime juice in it. Just going to put lime juice on the edge, brown, and your Tajín lime juice into a basic glass. 1 ounce of the simple syrup. Then you're just going to take some strawberries, however much you want. You're going to take the muddler. You're just going to muddle for about 1 minute. So next step, you take the ice, put it in the pretty glass. Now you take your mocktail margarita mixture, pour it over the ice, and then top it off with some sparkling water. There you have it. And I love to garnish with just a little slice of lime. Throw in just a little bit of fresh cilantro. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and you hit the like button.
Come back home.